Hey everyone! In today's video, we're going to show you how to make some extra cash with super affordable machines. Ready to uncover some golden opportunities? Let's jump right in. This compact and fully automated vending unit is designed to clean everyday personal items like eyeglasses, jewelry, watches, and smartphones. Using ultrasonic technology, it removes dirt, smudges, and oils in under a minute, delivering your items dry, polished, and crystal clear. No need for chemicals or manual effort. Just place your item inside, press a button, and let the machine do the rest. It's a fast, hygienic service that fits perfectly into high-traffic areas such as shopping malls, airports, hospitals, and transit stations. Highly intuitive and low maintenance, the Optic Wash offers a practical solution for both customers and business owners. It not only enhances convenience, but also creates a reliable passive income stream in locations where cleanliness and speed matter. The estimated cost to purchase this machine starts at $1,200. The LX1 car spray booth from Shandong Longxiang Machinery Co. is an affordable and efficient solution for anyone looking to enter the automotive refinishing business. Despite its basic design, it provides a clean and controlled environment where cars, motorcycle parts, or individual panels can be painted with precision and consistency. The booth is equipped with a ventilation system that ensures even airflow, helping to prevent dust from settling on wet paint and improving the overall finish quality. Whether you're working in a small auto repair shop or setting up a mobile bodywork station, this spray booth offers the essential features needed for professional results at a fraction of the cost. Its CE certification guarantees that the equipment meets key safety and performance standards, making it suitable for commercial use. Thanks to its compact size and straightforward assembly, it can be installed in limited workshop spaces without major modifications. This booth is ideal for repainting jobs, color customization services, and collision repair work. It's also a great way to expand existing garage services by adding high-demand painting options. The cost of this spray booth starts at $2,800. The 2024 Pulse Laser Rust Removal Machine is a modern, high-efficiency tool designed to clean and restore metal surfaces without damaging the underlying material. Using advanced pulsed laser technology, it removes rust, paint, oil, and other contaminants with incredible precision, all without the need for chemicals or abrasive materials. Operation is simple and contactless. Just point the handheld laser at the surface, and corrosion disappears in seconds. It's clean, quiet, and leaves no residue behind. This machine is ideal for auto repair shops, industrial plants, construction companies, and anyone offering mobile cleaning services. Its compact design makes it easy to transport, allowing you to offer on-site surface treatment for cars, machinery, tools, and more. The laser is highly targeted, so only the unwanted layer is removed, preserving the metal underneath in perfect condition. This type of service is in growing demand, and with the right marketing, such as posting short videos showing dramatic before and after results, you can quickly attract a steady stream of customers. The cost of the equipment starts at $3,000. The automatic balloon vending machine is a fun and engaging solution for adding entertainment to public spaces. With the press of a button and a quick payment, the machine inflates and dispenses a colorful balloon, creating a memorable experience for both kids and adults. Designed with a sleek exterior and a customizable LED display, it can showcase your brand, logo, or animated visuals to attract more attention. This makes it ideal for shopping malls, amusement parks, hotels, cinemas, or any high-traffic area looking to stand out. The vending process is fully automated, requiring no staff to operate. It's easy to install, low maintenance, and adds a touch of interactivity that naturally draws crowds. The cost of the equipment starts at $3,300. This compact CNC machine is designed for precision cutting of glass and mirrors, capable of handling various shapes such as circles, squares, and custom forms. It is ideal for applications in interior design, signage, and decorative installations. The machine features a diamond glass cutting head, Taiwan Hewin square rails, and a sturdy rack and pinion structure, ensuring high accuracy and durability. With a cutting area of 450 by 450 millimeters and support for glass thicknesses ranging from 1 to 90 millimeter, it offers versatility for different project requirements. The system operates on NC Studio or DSP controllers, providing user-friendly interfaces for efficient operation. The price starts at $119.90. The Shinho automatic mini-wire crushing cable machine is more than just a recycling tool. It's a gateway to a profitable business. Designed to crush and separate copper from plastic coatings, it turns scrap cables into clean, valuable raw material. With a copper purity rate of up to 99.99%, this machine allows you to collect and resell extracted copper to manufacturers who use it for second-line products, such as low-voltage wiring, motors, or recycled components. You can offer your services to repair shops, electrical companies, and construction sites, or buy scrap cables in bulk, process them, and sell the copper at a high margin. Some entrepreneurs even build entire supply chains around this machine, becoming key suppliers of recycled copper in their region. The operation is fully automatic and compact, making it ideal for small workshops or garage-based businesses. It's low noise, energy efficient, and requires minimal oversight. For those looking to turn waste into wealth, this machine offers a real opportunity to scale. The cost of the equipment starts at $9,700. The automatic electric roti robot is a compact machine designed to prepare fresh, perfectly shaped tortillas or rotis with minimal effort. It automates the process of pressing and baking flatbreads, making it an ideal solution for small restaurants, food stalls, or home-based food businesses. With a simple setup, you can produce soft, evenly cooked tortillas in seconds. Just place a ball of dough into the machine, and it flattens, heats, and cooks each piece to golden perfection. No rolling pins, no frying pans, no extra labor required. The non-stick plates ensure easy cleanup, while the compact design makes it suitable for countertop use, even in limited spaces. It's perfect for serving wraps, quesadillas, shawarma, or traditional meals that require fresh flatbread. This machine helps increase production speed and product consistency, allowing you to serve more customers in less time, or start selling fresh tortillas from your own kitchen. The cost of the equipment starts at $459. The commercial 7 kg freeze-dry machine is a compact vacuum dryer designed for preserving fruits, vegetables, meats, and ready-to-eat meals without losing their flavor, color, or nutrients. By removing moisture at low temperatures, it locks in freshness and extends shelf life. Perfect for small food businesses, cafes, or online stores looking to sell long-lasting, high-value products. The machine can process up to 7 kilograms of food per cycle, making it suitable for daily production. Use it to create freeze-dried strawberries, pineapple, mushrooms, herbs, pet treats, and even cooked meals. The end products are lightweight, easy to store, and can be sold at premium prices to health-conscious consumers or specialty markets. It's fully automatic and easy to operate, with a touchscreen control panel and stable temperature management throughout the drying process. Ideal for entrepreneurs wanting to enter the booming freeze-dried food industry with a small footprint and high-quality output. The cost of the equipment starts at $3,300. The computerized knitting machine for making hosiery is a high-efficiency industrial solution for producing socks and hosiery on a large scale. With a fully digital control system, it allows precise adjustment of patterns, colors, and sizes, making it ideal for custom or mass production. The machine operates at speeds of up to 350 RPM, producing approximately 360 pairs of socks per day. It supports a wide range of materials, including cotton, nylon, and blended yarns, ensuring flexibility in product development. The computerized interface simplifies programming and reduces the need for manual setup, increasing productivity and consistency. Compact and reliable, this machine is suitable for both factories and entrepreneurs looking to enter the textile and fashion industry with a scalable production model. It also supports multicolor knitting, logos, and various weaving techniques to meet market demand for differentiated designs. The cost of the equipment starts at $3,500.